Okay, here we have the backside of the church that has been added. They took some pillars and they added it, put it into the wall. The apse is on the other side. This is the backside, probably the entryway. And here's one of the entryways, possibly, where some of the mosaics there exposed to the openness. But you see the hearts, God's love, walking in, and it looks like some cross figures there in this section there. So. Hard to see exactly what they were. It's unfortunate they're not covering this or protecting this in any way. This is the backside, a later construction, part of the church.